Here's what's explaining your issue with your garage door opener. So your safety sensors are aligned and it's throwing an error code today. 1, 2. This means your safety sensors are misaligned. So to do so, realign them. And then you can set your travel limits. See, it stays steady now. I'm just going to do a little down, but if you didn't set anything else like the up limit, it will be bound flash. But let's see if your problem, like currently right now. And if your safety sensors are aligned, but they're more like this one's blinking, but this one's an older safety sensor on my demo. Apparently, it means it's misaligned or just not finding any signal to the safety sensor. So here's what I mean. So you cannot even set it. You're trying to get its attention, and it will not even bait catch it. What I mean, you're gonna realign safety sensors. Error code should go away. And now you're ready to set your limits. And you can stop at your desired positions. And even without limit. Since your opener is a step-saver opener like mine's manufactured in 2023, you just click on the adjustment button and it'll do its force settings for you. Starting with the up. I hope that's helping for you.